Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the incredibly comfortable FOXCAMP High Back Folding Camping Chair. This chair features an ergonomic design that provides superior support for your back and neck. The durable aluminum frame and heavy-duty fabric can easily hold up to 480 pounds. At only 8 pounds, this lightweight chair folds down in seconds for very easy carrying. You get a convenient side pocket and a large mesh storage area for all your gear. It is the perfect companion for fishing trips, beach days, or relaxing in your backyard. Enjoy a premium outdoor seating experience with this versatile and reliable high-back chair. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.